Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, there may be some decent or better news on the horizon with respect to Thai immigration. As the title of this video suggests, there's been some talk of perhaps easing certain aspects of immigration processing here in the kingdom. For those who keep up with this channel, it can seem as though it's a bit of a doom and gloom channel with respect to issues associated with Thai visa applications and Thai immigration processing. I shouldn't say doom and gloom maybe, but in the past few years we have seen immigration tightening up regulations, tightening up enforcement activity, setting stricter scrutiny guidelines than we've seen in the past. That being said, in a recent article in the Nikkei Asian Review, that's asia.nikkei.com, the title of the article is Thailand Considers Express Visa Issuance to Lure Foreign Business. This was published May 28th, 2018. Quoting directly, the Thai government is planning to amend its foreign business law to boost inbound investment as it tries to stimulate economic growth to catch up with its neighbors. Quoting further, the measures under consideration include a smart visa program, which would give express visa issuance to selected applicants. The government has sent clear signals to foreign businesses that it is willing to facilitate investments. Quoting further, the joint chambers of commerce are lobbying hard for foreign companies to bring in their own experts to work in Thailand. Quoting further, the ministry could set up a special committee of representatives from related parties to see if the current visa rules could be relaxed. But the official also said that it was unclear how long the amendments would take. So what to take away from this? Well, I think everybody's pretty aware of the fact that Thailand has a rather cumbersome immigration regime in certain aspects. As noted in that particular article, and I urge folks to go to the Nikkei Asian Review and check out that article in detail. There's a lot more to it than what I quoted, as I was specifically just trying to get some of the finer points in order to comment in this video. What I would take away from this is, yes, the smart visa, we've discussed this at length. That structure is being implemented. When we're going to see large volumes of those being processed through remains to be seen, but it is a substantial benefit, and I think it's a benefit that we are likely to see, especially in large investments in the tech industry here in Thailand in the relatively near future. But clearly, chambers of commerce, as I've gone into great detail in other videos on this channel to discuss, joint chambers are serious about talking to the Thai Chamber of Commerce and the Thai government about perhaps ratcheting back some of the aspects of the immigration process. In my opinion, it might not be so much an issue of changing the underlying requirements, but perhaps changing the processing procedures, as it's, again, my opinion, that those procedures were put in place in a time pretty substantially different from our own. Most notably, especially with respect to visa extensions, that regime was set up at a time when people didn't regularly travel as much as they do now. And as a result, the way that it's set up, where effectively, especially for the first 30 days, it's rather difficult while the case is under review to leave the country, and one really needs to be in certain places at certain rigid times and dates in order to get their status rectified or renewed. These are all sort of problems that in the digital age could pretty easily be solved. How they'll be solved remains to be seen. But I do find it interesting that it seems that Thai government officials are open to at least discussing the possibility of maybe not being more flexible again on the underlying requirements, but perhaps being more flexible with respect to how the overall process works.